The season 22 premiere landed like a punch to the chest. In the absolute best way though. I was blessed to be on the team when we screened it, and I'm telling you, the room went silent. Everyone ended up in tears. You know what? They were good tears though. I want to remind you why we create. I want to take you behind the scenes, walk you through what it felt like to witness this wonderful vision unfold alongside the amazing artists I deeply admire, and why this kind of storytelling matters for all of us who create. Everyone can start somewhere, and guess what? You can end somewhere, just like Shonda Rhimes ended with this amazing brand, Grey's Anatomy. Hey creative family, it's Desikole, and guess what? I want to welcome you back to the Creative Life Chronicles, and today I'm opening my heart because my heart, let me tell you, it's feeling deep about my job right now. You know, as an indie filmmaker and sharing all the beautiful cost of creativity with you, I enjoy that so much, but today I'm going to share my other lane, my other multi-passion. My other passion is I'm a hairstylist on the hit TV show Grey's Anatomy, and this isn't just about hair, y'all. This is about family. Those of you who are just joining me, I am the department head of the hair department on Grey's Anatomy. That means every curl, every strand, every look you see on screen, that's part of the story that I help tell. And let me be honest with you, sometimes when you're in the trenches dealing with the pens, adhesive, quick fixes, and between takes and 5-second turnarounds, you forget. You could take it for granted. You forget you're standing among legends. Yes. But then you sit down, you watch the finished episode, and reality hits in, and it hits you like a wave. I am working among world-class artists. I am part of a legacy that has touched millions of hearts across 22 seasons, over 15 years on this show, and it still takes my breath away. That's not my job. It's not just a job. That's a blessing. Yes, all of my jobs are a blessing. I've worked on Jimmy Kimmel Live, That's So Raven, Pirates of the Caribbean, Princess Diaries, the list goes on, okay? I'm excited. That part of my creative lane is amazing because hair is my first love. I worked in salons, hair shows I competed in. You know, this has just been an ongoing, fun, exciting ride, okay? So this season holds real special mini gems, okay? I gotta thread y'all a little bit along the way. I gotta just throw you a little bit of everybody, all right? This season holds a special meaning because of Linda Klein. Linda Klein is an executive producer for medical content and Grey's Anatomy, and here's a fun fact. I worked with Linda years ago on Nip Tuck. She was my actress. So coming to Grey's Anatomy felt like a beautiful reunion, like coming home to a family member that I hadn't seen in a while because she left me. I stayed on I think it was season 5. I don't know. We'll get to that later. But Linda's creative leadership, especially in shaping the medical storytelling that Grey's is known for, it has given us some of the toughest, rawest, most real moments you see on screen. She brings authenticity and heart to the medicine. She brings those disgusting organs and everything. She allows the actors to be authentic and the heart to emotion. Being on a project with someone you've respected and worked with before is so fun. It gives everything this incredible family reunion needs for the energy to stay great, right? Linda, thank you for welcoming me into the family and for your brilliant vision that keeps this show grounded in truth. Thank you for those disgusting surgical, inserts with the blood. And this takes me to the time I have to say, hey, what would we have without this architect and visionary, Shonda Rhimes, right? Shonda dang on Rhimes, you are dope, all right? You had a vision and look where it went. Look at where it went. But I need to pause here because I need to take a moment because none of it would have happened if you was not persistent. And I know you was going to the coffee shop, writing your scripts, pitching your movies. And guess what? I know exactly when your big break took off, Shonda. I am proud of you. every time I see you, God is good. You crafted something that transcends television, right? You didn't just write a medical drama. You built a universe where Black women lead surgical departments, where diversity isn't a buzzword, but the foundation where messy, complicated, beautiful humans get to be seen in all their humanity, no matter what their color is. Bam. You gave us characters who look like us, love like us, struggle like us, and triumph like us. And guess what? You gave me a department head. Well, you know, this helped me be the department head of this too. So I started out, I department headed How High, I department headed some other things. That was fun. But guess what, Shonda? You keep winning. 22 seasons, over 450 episodes. That's not just longevity. That's a revolution in storytelling that has fundamentally changed what's possible on television. You've created representation that matters, stories that heal, characters that inspire generations of viewers to pursue medicine, to believe they belong in spaces they were told that they weren't for them. Yes, you did that. So I gotta have, I gotta give all these gems to these amazing creatives, guys. And you are a part of it too. Just to show you how creative Shonda really is, where I've grown as an artist, where I've built lifelong friendship, where I've learned what it means to be part of something bigger than myself. This show has been a blessing beyond measure. It has shaped my career, challenged my career as well, guys. My confidence, my belief that our work, no matter our role, it matters. Every single participation on a project matters. This show taught me that every detail counts, that representation is essential. Taking risks and telling truth creates art that lasts. You've shown me what visionary leadership looks like, really. This wasn't easy. But most of all, you showed me how one woman's genius, courage, and unwavering commitment to excellence can change an entire industry. Shonda, you deserve some amazing flowers. And I only got a few viewers here, okay? This is just my creative fam, but we love you, Shonda. Thank you. And thank you for your genius, your courage, your vision that saw what television could be and refused to settle for anything less, right? Thank you for creating a home where artists like me can thrive, where we can do our best work, where we feel seen. You are a titan, a trailblazer, a gift to this industry, and I am forever grateful. I am forever grateful for all my creative lanes, guys. I'm grateful to be a part of a world that you built, Shonda, and this is your legacy, and I am honored to be even a small part of it. But call me, Shonda. Fly me to London. I can go on Bridgerton or somewhere like that too. But I love Grace. Not saying I'm leader. I could visit. I could do whatever. But hey, I want to let the world know if they want to be just like this and be able to work amongst some great creative legends, believe in yourself. We show people how you can love and believe in yourself and have faith and support one another, and the energy comes back to you, and guess what? You will soar, right? This is amazing. Okay, today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dive into the moment we watched the screening of episode 1 for season 22. We had an impromptu watch party during our lunch break. The cast, the crew, producers, everyone squeezed into this amazing space called the conference room, and we huddled around to watch it, okay? Sometimes we do that during lunch and everyone gets to share watching their work on the big screen. So we don't just wait till at home, but sometimes we can. So in that room, you could feel the collective energy, the blood, sweat, late nights, early call times, the laughter between takes, all of it settling into something meaningful. And then the tears came, not just from the powerful scenes on screen, but because we realized, all of us, we've been on this journey together for over 2 decades. Some of us, and some of us almost, and some of us just got here. Like, if it's a family, it's a family. It was a collective inhale and exhale, a reminder that we're not just colleagues, we're family. Let me talk about the incomparable Debbie Allen. Debbie Allen directed this. Yes, the amazing legend Debbie Allen, who could do that ballerina move that nobody else on the planet could do yet. Y'all, working with Debbie Allen is like being in the presence of creative royalty. She's not just our director. She's not just our executive producer. She's not just a brilliant Catherine Avery on screen. She is a living legend who has shaped Hollywood for generations. Every time I do Debbie's hair, I be like, Debbie, it's you. She be like, Dad, what are you talking about? Why do you say that? You Debbie Allen. Well, anyway, from her groundbreaking choreography on Fame to her Tony-nominated Broadway performances to her visionary leadership that opened doors for Black artists everywhere, Debbie has built entire stages for people like me behind the scenes to stand on. She's won Emmy Awards, directed countless episodes of television history, and mentored artists across every discipline. Do you know when I first saw Debbie Allen in person in the room, I was on, not in the house, I forget, but it was the show and she was directed and I'm like, that's Debbie Allen, that's Debbie Allen. Anyway, she's been my boss for some time now, but it's amazing. I want to say I love her. I want to give all the beautiful shots out to the amazing family on this project. But being directed by Debbie is like being held in the hands of a master sculptor. Her direction for this episode was precise, layered, and deeply soulful. You can feel her fingerprints on every emotional beat, every camera angle, every breath the actors take. She leads with fierce love and unwavering standard, nurturing her team like the fierce matriarch she is. But don't get me twisted, don't get it wrong. She don't play, y'all. She do not play. You better have it right. You better be above average. You better get it right. We don't get second chance. Debbie, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you for your vision. Thank you for your courage, your artistry that spans dance, acting, directing, and producing. Thank you for leading those wonderful children around the world that loves what you helped them develop. You also helped us shine by teaching us what excellence and grace look like. You remind me every single day what it means to be a true artist and a leader. I learn something from you constantly and I am honored to be in your presence. You are a treasure trailblazer, okay? And I celebrate you. Well, enough, y'all, YouTube family, of me telling my boss how much I love her. You gotta do that sometimes. You have to, not because you need the job. We trust and believe that we are where we're supposed to be. But I also want to let you know, when you have a great team, whether you're doing your indie film, producing your own project, a photo shoot, hair show, whatever it is, don't forget to have gratitude and be grateful, okay? Don't forget to love your team. Everyone has value. Everyone offers a different lane, but they all have value, okay? And listen, that Chandra Wilson, she has a soulful depth to her acting, guys. You ever seen them emotions? I mean, this is real. I told her that. And look, she's such a dear friend because, you know, Dr. Bailey, you can't help but love her because that's Dr. Bailey, y'all. So listen, that dang on Chandra Wilson. My inspiration watching her deliver those moments in this premiere, it stops you cold. She's supportive. She has the extraordinary gift of making the audience feel like they're inside inside the room. She's there. She's there with Owen. She's right there, feeling every beat of her heart, every ache, every triumph, every fear. The depth, the nuance, the truth she brings, it's why she's been the backbone of this show for 22 seasons. Yes. Go ahead, my girl, Shine. You my friend. I love calling you my friend. I love styling Chandra's hair. It isn't just about technique or making sure every strand is in place. It's about honoring the woman she becomes on screen. She lives in Seattle. It's about supporting the transformation of that particular character living in Seattle, wanting this coif wig look. It's sacred work, right? It has to represent the character and the mindset of that character in that area code, that area. So for someone who checks in, who celebrates wins, who reminds me to breathe during the chaos of production, she's genuine, she's brilliant, and she's not one of the most dedicated artists I've ever known. She is the most dedicated artist I've ever known. Chandra, I love you. Thank you for your friendship, your brilliance, your participation, and your unwavering commitment to craft, and for being a constant reminder of what true artistry looks like. You inspire me every single day, and I'm so grateful to call you my friend. This show would not be what it is without you, and neither would I, okay? I have to pay homage, but hey, Jimmy Kimmel, if you watching, you still my fam. I love you, Jimmy Kimmel. That was my show for 7 years, y'all. Listen, everywhere I work, it has brought me to where I am today. Back to Grey's Anatomy, okay? I am so grateful. Of course, we have to talk about what? Ellen Pompeo, my Ellie Pooh, as I lovingly call her, because Pooh is just my pet term for, oh, okay, Ellie Pooh. She's an amazing mother. Her narration in this episode is hauntingly beautiful. Her voice carries the weight of 22 seasons, y'all. Memory, loss, resilience, hope. When Meredith Grey speaks, we listen because Ellen brings this raw, vulnerable truth to every single word. Yes, she does. Every single word, y'all. That's why Grace is on for this now. Styling Ellen's hair over the years has become more than a professional relationship. Need to style my own. Just love me like this with no curls, okay? Anyway, it's genuine friendship I treasure deeply. She's an incredible mother, y'all. A fierce advocate for fair pay and representation, and a brilliant actor who never phones it in, y'all. Ever. Ellen, thank you for trusting me with your crown. With your crown, yes. Thank you for trusting me with laughs between takes for the real conversations about life, motherhood, and reminding me that I need to put, not Epsom salt, almost forgot it, turmeric. What is it? Turmeric or turmeric? Turmeric in my water. I need to have it every day. Yes, you work, your creative film will take care of you guys. Anyway, I love your authenticity, everything, Ellen. You're the heart of this show, and I'm honored to be part of your journey. Yes, yes, it's all real, y'all, okay? I want to thank you for joining this little episode of the Creative Life Chronicles. Your creative future is bright, whether you're crafting a book, novel, screenplay, or TV show, or movie, or dreaming up a business straight from your living room. Remember, you already have what you need to be creative: tools, talents, and a faithful mindset to create an amazing product. You just have to choose to. But you must remember, don't ever forget what I always tell you: the cost of creativity is real. Behind every glitz and glam and shot you see, there has been sacrifice, tight budgets, long nights, and this is what makes it meaningful. That's why gratitude matters. Celebrating the small wins for the people who hold the light and for the lessons learned. Let's keep us moving forward. If you enjoyed this little sneak peek of praise and my gratitude confession, hit the like button and stay on the journey with me. Your support and stories really matter. I had to let you guys know all the lanes of my life, which is my indie filmmaking. You've seen my hairstylist journey, me here at Grey's Anatomy, and now I'm going to also be sharing with you screenwriting tips too, just so you can see how I navigate and weave all the storytelling into one thing. So next time, I'll take you behind the scenes on how I prep and plan to shoot a scary scene in my indie film. Practical tips, mindset hacks, and a couple of tricks that make tension live on the screen. Until then, keep creating wherever you are. I'm Desikole, and I'll see you next time.